will happen because say no and this before now utumi a day tourist visa na waba uba na obenya obi nkata yedwuma na say obenya edwuma kwa na obi wa ombisa o nkata ba na waye no this scholarship say no eni wasabio.
Wow.
So obaba at the visit the bar now oba for visit.
Okay.
Uba we are sonko utremwa say no obi ampese odin nkata be mo obi ayedwuma
UK no.
Yes, because of the mouth na assemble one mummy no mukofi.
Wow.
Say kwa wama Germany we are omdom nkata beto ha na mo ho no say echichi omunyina.
Wow.
Echichi omunyina omo friend too authentic because a bad sense we ejuma of Germany and san ejuma ha.
Yes.
Which means one is not telling the truth.
Auntie.
In the case, I know will say, oh, Oma may see will file until if I on Grata Bra, Nayan, Omi be a boom. Omoboa, one farm bar, woman say, and Grata in your dear. In the Seka, a good bang, or no, and I said, Seka will be a effort to a bang, no, them on them Satoso.
Yeah, Bracofi.
Yes.
Patrol, naturally, say, Obu out to Germany, and so in Grata or UK, Juma. Bibisa osa.
Yes. Ebi osa. Esa na o yesa no na oje nipa ko na o use nkata no oje sika won nchen. Tebia e twa nipa ko na nipa ko na twa na be 300 pounds and I say 400 pounds depending the adiola on nipa ko be no. E cost wa pa.
Hey. Wow. I see. And very serious oh.
Yeah, because they say na bibia sisa so oba na woni nkata member.
Okay.
And I say o Ghana bibia na wonya visa be 6 months bi also oba abedwuma masa seskano patram ho na fa bi because oba 6 months no wonye adwuma nye 6 months no and oba nso na ewu a waka. Na waka no obi wonye adwuma ni bi nye. Because say kwa na aprapra kwa na clinic kwa no oya omno baji bibia ansa wa adwuma no.
Wow. Na say matise
baji bibia
matise
o bill o bibia esa wo hia bia no baji bibia o kata no omo photocopy wo wani bibia omo ye wo omo nka say wo photocopy bra da bi fa bra no mo photocopy.
Wow. Enti eno sa no eba ne sa na nipa na waba be wurama ode eye tourist visa ba ya wabekemu no. Onya adwumanye no ebi wo honom sa omnam ho amunya hwe nso mote wo. Omye den didi. Bibiri
yewo African shops o ha okọ ha Ghana fun bibiri gu ebi ma nom nsa sa do ma ya basa omne nam ho. Omune na bibiri na mo bibiri bi da bonti bi o wa
akorinsan fo ana wa so abro nsan abosi ro
mo se oho no mo se de bia mo no de bia be hu no mo go no mo no mo obafo so mo Germany ba ntisa ebi o kwa hu ma obafo so mo Jamaica fo because o ma ye muti no rasta ba o mo ni Ghana fo
very serious oh na
say I didn't say the Queen war so smart master because me person will be there no way or the BB or Ghana. Now our friend I can be some say oh person ba then about ya baby juma then we are or say oh ton yamaba and maza oh how so ba now ba abinya ama otimi oyunyo chidi edidia ebia na o yira o kuna na so ya be ware aba ani no ba o do nkata ne ba so I say no uba o nkata ne ba ana uba nso uba betuna obi nchen asa na ba ya uba pedwuma because wo nkata enye se ubo dwane ana sa bo doje what must say nti wo no ke uba nye bibi efiase because wo nkata ba wo ni bia na ho pere o bia na ho hwe ochi.
Okay.
So Libya now as time goes on, Nime Essence. Before no Uba had now 2 years visa, Utumi Juma na 6 months, Utumi apply for a permanent stay depending on we are o fast or the baha then I was but say no ukunu kwa de baha almost 2.5 years na 2.5 years no so why you juma o me say why you juma so you juma o san ko na ekuwo na 2.5 years and sa o mama leave permanency nti obewie no na what say 5,000 for visa pay.
Wow.
No, visa pay obe say by 5,000 for visa nti so won nye juma obe den na wotuma aye visa.
Yeah. No correct.
So nti never be biro ha me dey me pese kan credit check the papo no. So tie no atusu say oba ha fine. Oba ono behu na obeya ba wan kan kwena nche no so oh bra aha de djuma oha masa ejuma na ngasa no okọ na mu ye 100 da omo hwemu wo mo kita British passport omo kita European passport ansa o ba black British ansa ba black African into before e do so no all those ukita paper no ukita before we do so on because omo nya omo crofo no oye djuma na ma enya wo na omo nya because omo ni say o sika no nya o de kokrom because the omo hu that because yen na ya ma wo ma ehu sa na ma wonyina yen na ma mo hu ta woni mu na nti omo so ebisu on us.
Oh, okay.
So, a man for ability 10 years, 4 years. Only Juma.
Only Juma say.
Only Juma. Onya na around be a friend of be a omulodu container and I say omuye valeting be no akoye e be a 2-3 weeks be no be version.
Oh yes.
Because unikata you will not get any proper job to do.
Yes, some hot the Juma bu.
No more kata no kwana e yekini. Na wa woni bi.
Brakofi.
Yes.
Me say yes ti ha yete Ghana ha yete. Yes ho de ne hia se wo wrem. Unya wrem a adwuma de enye den. Ne hia se wo wrem. Yete da bia. Because obi kura beka say ana ebu ono a oni pipa so ote honom. Enso still a ote ho ye adwuma. Enti asa mo kan say asa de mo pese e beba honom no. Obi
wa ha order baby order to say kiosk mu. Utrim unsemu a empape the sim. Utia be 600 pounds for that a month.
Sir,
I will lend the group. I'm telling you.
This a washroom. And then it is fian to say Ghana, your washroom no.
Here student bed the sim and one no utia be 600 pounds a month.
Said the enti only krata enti na bra bote sana na. Only people.
Ebi mo ho nkata will be. But edano want to mean rent edani nyina because edani nyina no there which means okoye adwuma na onye sika na o de nya etu edaika. When be ya utuni dey etu enka because so open sadia and say oni obi ko share so onu period no ebu obetwa ma obetua for sa dan tia na.
Asamo. Ana onim say
yes. Ebi mu da garage no mu da.
Very serious.
Or the phone no da garage.
Yes, ante say so onya bedru hono ma na hia so babo ha kakra no apa oba bia ware no ana ba ema bia ware no na yes wonya okrata
ene je onya isi European phone bi so no so be fina because be brain no they say na man na say because o mini say nkrata nti na oba but so obenya obi okrom ha na ware ne a ware na fa would ma ware no ba uwi a elaka say kokrom asambra na kodi bisa na bra
Adentia.
I say, go back to your country.
Adentia.
Because you have room and a war, so you have to go back to your country. But European India, what my worry no because only the Obano Club.
Okay.
But so Chrome had there, so come back to Ghana no fear, Nigeria no fear. You have to go back. No ban me fa umra.
Hey. And na say no man say no man na say fititi sanity.
Oh, from tititinya no me. Tititinya say Germany there obaka so onya wo a na oba na jitum say wona ye papa na we kunu na otumi ka say okay wona ye papa no eno no nti na be ma wo nkata oba na wa wo nti na be ma nkata so uti didi mu a eno kwa no e be ma bia 1 year bi wana ko yeduma na ye hwe depending on oba no ansema oba ka kire
yeah I see yeah
but I had you were had ya so ko no oba na so be ma no me fa mbra
wow and also na so kokra no mpo na wan hwe kra so ane ansam wa ma wo
thank you
and hey I'm very serious na because onim say
wo ha so na wo nkata na wo ne oba wo ma wo ha acha ene agin oba nkwara no edibe 18 years asa wonya nkata
no
the two akwara no nkata ana say won so wo check aka wa ha we edibe 20 years wa ha mo hwemu ama nkata sana be ya wo ma hwa wo ma
18 years answer
18 years answer
enti mebo mo hono mo so no
depending on your situation how do wa if you are 16 years depending on the situation
okay bra Kofi mebo mame musa o say yese abrochire nkronkro bi te say Germany na se for owo a ye hwe ye ma akra ne sika enti no ase dodo na mpo yesa mbetena ho mo onye adwuma bia na o de aya wo UK nso te sa
and UK you will be you are having a benefit
okay
benefit no which means wo nye adwuma ukunu na wo no nye adwuma na ebia emfa ne say bibinti na munye adwuma na wako siki say onye adwuma ebia o yare ana say untumi nye adwuma physically untumi nye adwuma aban beba na wa ka say okay a month no do a me ma 120 pounds na metia order half amount depending on your situation.
Okay.
What must say?
Okay.
And this me say me need man me call and I no pra no enya aban no na almost sika.
Okay.
Eye wo ma wo mo ye adwuma no na aban na ti wo mo to e dey ma.
Okay.
So what must say? This me adwuma say aban ti misika o ti misika me enai me na ma me adwuma no aban ti no di amman pa ko na o say on to me adwuma no. Nti enya aban no o ma adwuma ko say aban no o ma sika na ene senka aban sika sa.
Okay.
So nti kroman no o ma o mo ye adwuma no. O mo na o mo na aban na ti o sika. E san dia ma o ma o so onye adwuma.
Oh, okay.
Because you probably have in Birmingham.
Yeah, okay.
You was street back also you feel benefit street.
Okay.
Omo mo no obia nye adwuma. Omo na nam obia nye adwuma da.
Sa
obia nye adwuma da. Na o ma benefit sa.
Ayo.
Nti say no aban no try say obe mama akọ adwuma because wo ma me adwuma na yeti o musika so omo so ka say they can't do that anymore.
Na enti sa street na waka no Ghana for ho and as Africans ho.
Oh, Africans ho baby say eno no na eto ebi wo ha say Ghana for aware any man because the man before say oba no jisika kese and o de hye no. Oba no so for say ono no yoba ono no hwe nkola na say ono no sika no e ko de botum a o de botu tonya mama nkola no.
Yeah.
There say na ntawantawa edentokwa abem na ware negu.
Enti na me ba o na je say oba no e hye da ko benefit onom say ontimi hwe nkora nti yema niska na bosum bia aban ma niska na ono de ahye no. Sa na wo kire.
There say ono you have to go register. Say won ye adwuma.
Okay.
And na okunu adwuma nso ye no nso no sika na enso mo.
Okay.
So and because I say no omtumi hwe so okunu ye adwuma anasa o ye adwuma omo hwe income amunya a year no maka say mono you can get benefit.
Okay.
Mono you are okay book much mama HM Vivian and you mono we dey kunya benefit. So depending on the situation na the brimu e shada yes say wo mo nye adwuma say na be ya they will get that money.
Okay. Nice say I adwen kese.
That's I drink here because almost sika oyirinya and sika okunya no maka say o modi benefit munye bi ye mamu bi mo man so ye mamu bi because modi ma hwemoma ahwa mo ho nje bi wo sa na adwuma na oye na no jai nje fa ne say oye 8 hours no jai na oye bia 4 hours.
Oh, okay.
Send a beya obetumi a register for benefit no a obenye sika if and also any sika se bia o Kof yes sika bia a week bia me fan say £120 a week.
Oh, okay. Na sa unya ma
so nto kan ni abom
eno no akura bia
dia emu edu bia
Brakofi eno na ya akura bia Brakofi
ba obetana sa onye djuma no eno no pe
Brakofi otemenka
me wonka
me say sa 120 no e ya akura bia na de ma na se munyina e bia o ma ya 5 akura bia 120
se before no o ma no akura bia ba say no o ma ya no universal ma ya no ba ko
nti 120 mo ya 10 akura 120
they say no ma ya no universal credit.
Oh, okay.
Nti has nti omusu because enso mo
Wow.
So my program nankasa so say enso mo nti o mpese e ban no de £20 account.
Okay. Brakofi yan samra back. Ye fa ne sen. Program bebre okrom ha asa mo promise ye be pay UK visa ama one adwuma. Na so Ghana e betuma pay adwuma no ama menim say fine nurses for ne other health workers in there possible but it me say factory work ne no ma bi na omo de recruitment wa say de ba UK onom no krasa
minimum about nurses ne any care workers no but minimum about factory workers no.
Oh, okay because
minimum about care workers because of COVID no buy into say no sa ne mani ni asesa in a way and promo hano for no so no one time per care no because they be no care no sika wom but me dem believe say sa ne masa no and next na e calling so woni abadaya wontumi yin sadwuma no.
Okay
so because niema obekomu no and niema abobaye niema obaye anya sa sika no so woni abadaya you can do it.
Okay.
So because omo ye program o ha abrofo bi o kopa na omo bu careful no omo shop no omo bu omo bu omo ma yi wa ha ma eni ahwe ma ye chechi omo ni atu no nti eno ne say no so o discard di onim na so ba ha obedu ha afere na o ba kire because niema obaye no obadiem ahwe na wo hwe nkofo no niema obaye no is ibi o ha edin. So we got no oko bebi so a obese so unia badaya untumi nya sade.
I just said okay na calling.
Nti e calling say o ma mo ba almost mo put my fine. We put my nkwa dia na e o so o ma skari di woni di a na odu ha untumi nya nche. Na the reason ti o ba ha no aye ma wesa no. So ujaya o mo saka wa o ba kire.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Because minim nurses for any midwife.
I know we the reason baha now ujaya omo baby before so money but baby can now o touch him say omo no because the reason I buy na nya no na wo ya.
Yeah. Okay. Brakofi because minim say minim nurses for any midwives bebra omo ba UK ho no be adwuma. I'm quite islet and any we are now my 1 or 2 exams been here. But things and there, but factory workers and the number me confirm say Bibi sa or honor. I don't know me to me that mean to me Emma because what I know is before your companies were hard. They say we say Tesco Sinyamana recruit from Albania, Romania, Ebahasi. In Tibia, I don't have any concrete for one hand. No mean to me, like mean to me, any answer. But what I know is the nurses and also know Oba, you cannot only be a nurse, midwife, no, Oma reserve ama Omo Abrofono. Because the new you are
maybe or her abofono and omoye.
Oh, okay.
We are the pama.
Oh, okay.
Baby was a midwife, any woman whom ye bola no near mana, you own ya.
Sir,
Bola nama debila.
I just a nurse na.
Nurse na na obey sir because no minimum month will be or her, minimum will be or my courses be brave, but still they can never be a midwife.
Wow.
They are here because maybe how they are reserve a woman. The bit is midwife ni bola fono say no. Me say no me hu ni putuntum womuda.
Bola say te say zoom line odwuma na wa ha no. E na wo kan bola no.
Say bola he omo fa woolly beans ni niam no say no.
Okay.
I say no ni putuntum ni.
Sa kromo nyina.
Kromo ti di but me wo mu na eswa because e ade omutia is well paid job.
I see.
He has well paid job and after tax no each one is taking about 2,700 home. He is a well paid job. The reserve no you will not get it. We are there unya.
Sir, bola juma.
Yeah.
Ono bola juma. Aye mu no ha no.
Yes, and I can say, on say, we don't value it our you
yeah.
Into me, yes, it no, because if you ask whatever you value, it makes money for you.
Yeah.
Because we only value white collar jobs or air conditioning we pay or shirt. If him, that is what we value. Even crapo, sabi obi car with makwana, he's not being valued. He value because the wife.
Yeah.
Obi a ball juma he value because the wife. But that is where the money is.
Yeah.
Because of she krumwa, if he had a DBA, if he be a DBA.
Yeah.
But because we don't value it, so because of course say yembuno in anything on dream say obutwa ye or dream say na nipa bebuno afa ama and na nitimende ama wa yeduma.
Oh, okay.
So and I say no antisa the more the lesser job almost open they get more money. When the mobi wa ha madam for or Manchester or 25 years on ye you may be that say cleaning.
Sir,
I'm telling you. Or you only 5 service age cleaning 5 service hot make sure but or some the 2 hours or ye can one ye tiano I don't know or 56 anopa no about 6 in
okay. Nice ska
yes. In this 2 hours no 2 hours no I know auditor danka bibia na 5 hours no ko 5 service no no fa ne sanka na 2 hours no o kan ni abomu o kan sa for ni abomu a week no onya be 1,500.
Wow and yes small
answer the main job now you know 5 hours no answer no sikaba.
Wow.
So what we don't value, no, it will not make money for us because they believe in the cleaning because they are a although say or compare Germany in a high fee.
Sir, UK fee on.
Oh yes, London is a fee.
Sir,
high fee pa. Oh yes.
I see.
But they always do something. They try say. They will make the place because there will be people who are na can say a higher UK uber can say David hanging UK and there will be ones who clean pa. So maybe at the say now what call maybe a Trasako also na hot here na say we the same sana hati. Maybe say Okuba Birmingham maybe say Aston a fee pa and yes more.
Yeah, say. Acid.
Yeah, Aston Villa. I did Aston Villa.
Okay. Aston Villa.
Yeah, also hot area no. Okokwa a whole fee pan or no. To me Nantoana Joe, obi be what kind.
Sir.
Oh yes.
I
know every day. A day news obi.
7 years. And I say, Bracofi, no candy, and I just say, me did say, Mark Quines will be yet. And your Mark Quine,
oh yes. winter ade omo kan winter say omo nye engineer tete no nye engineer no mutumi ye kwan my kwan no e last for so many years but engineers no mom omo ye kwan na winter so no to na hotutu menim say mo picture di ha me for the picture ni me hwehwe wi a me for the pictures ni bi
okay so
and I say no omo kan you see samayina this year samayina ye want to enter because last year someone in Suto flood will be flood. This year na insurance to a higher way flood.
Meba yamra kwan na so. Enti mo kwan a eda kroma tutu. Te say dey I am here.
Oh yes. Aha no kwan no omo nye kwan no omo patch kwan no because so ye kwan na ebrene ndu ye se obeye kwani ye a omba be pache omunye ni yeda mo be pache na enti se poto kwa wo squad inform ana se o pache ni ye kwa na inform se 10 years e no mo ye kwan na 10 years ndu yo no o ye kwan ni bioma omunye etutu o ma be pache nji ebi o ha o de car na mso a eti se na wonam ga na buruburu na mo pache sa Poto poto
anasa mantemo
that's hard ya so enye heaven
that's it yeah it's a higher heaven on earth I want to yes higher heaven
David
sir
minimum man for be abana man for be wo ha o ma te Ghana o ma ba abodu ha mo say na say hard ya te say tema the UK no say that's idea because say Ghana which is true. There are some places onam ho a because say onam tema and I say onam Jamestown
sir
yeah there are some buildings in this is from a fin sir Jamestown e bi ho kwa na e bi ho onam ho a ho sent no kwa no want to me
and just say omu krom no cities no mo na asem a business centers honomo no
yeah that is where they focus, that is where they make sure say that place is always clean because that is where they get the tourists from no amonam awonam de on de bia no e clean e bia no anopa nwa no ba outside when they inform ho no no council no the council no nya info bia ho
well and say was Ghana isua na yonso yeah business district areas no
which is very true it's very true which is very true
because yes we dey higher sama you say mantemu nyina dey abefra district
on say Ghana no ade a ye ne say the BBI politics which is bad because me no I have no party me ni party I'm supporting party dia me support party dia da
also Ghana
because me na catch me say me sure say me fa am yourself me nyi bida nti me no me nyi bida
okay
but the say on say krum ha no omo nye baako but say bibia ebe buako no bebe buako na omo nya baako omo nya ye baako no ma ye so because eba say omo mpa EU bio no omo nya the party say me to nchen na omo nya vote say omo mpa EU bio omo pese omo fin
okay
so no ba say indi say infan say ebia Accra Kumasi omonye back they are not one
okay
because what you call Manchester omo say wo onye ho no fi so no mbehwe wo no anga so mo say onye ho no because o kasa to mo say onye ho no fi because brofuna or ha say brofuna in different brofuna hu no in different ebi wo ho a ye wo Bromi ye wo Mancunian ye wo Scousers ye wo ni a different ye wo Cockney different baby obi wo ho kasa you won't just say that abofun kra bi wo ho kasa o man kasa on tin no can because san o kan no on tin
asemo
but o kan o mo kan bofo say na ye kan bofo Ghana na uko London kono a na mo kan bofo say na ye kan o Ghana but we feel London ho ba say bibi say Birmingham and I say Manchester and I say Sheffield that mo nya bofo different
na say bravo I say PG no ne part 1 as for na afrafra won
abrofo no omo abrofo no nkasa no omo de omo bebi owo bia ene ne brofo.
Wow.
Because so what Birmingham omo ka bromi.
Brownie.
Omo na pronounce adia omo mboti no. Funny say bi say o ka say bata be ka ne ba.
Ba. Okay. Okay.
O ka say nsuwa water o be ka no water.
Water.
Tino emba.
Water.
Tino emba yeah, water. Tino emba eno no ye bromi.
Okay.
So, many of them, and now Oba baby, no one, so no, a house a black country. It's a bit similar to Bromi, but it's different. And we say na Oka or Chumkakra, BBT say camper van is here, kind of camper van or Chumkakra.
Okay. A camper van.
Yeah, and you one but when it comes to things of the national, things that will benefit the country, they become one and do it.
Okay.
And that is what we lack in Ghana. Because Sadiano, I am one on the Bebubia, and ye obey on peninsula. That is our problem.
Yeah.
And no a problem I ever.
Yeah. Okay.
So she say to me they are not too China, because the way they value us, no, we don't see that.
Okay.
But they are honest to say the way they see us Ghana, especially because Ghana no it is obeying in Ghana.
Yeah.
I tell you.
Yeah, no correct.
Because before no but my share Ghana African wear, we shall now ferry, but they say na abrofo nankasa shebi. So they value. They say some almost shops ton chito ene nkatem omo ye nkate kwan egu konkomu eton e wo ma omankasa shop mu.
Okay. Wow.
So ubut mako oyot mako obroni shop mu akohun gari wo before no ohun. Nti if we value our staff, we value yenyama, we will make money out of it.
Yes.
But we don't value it because bibi won't value no. Obi befa ye asamba
no correct.
That is our problem.
Yeah. No correct.
So that's our problem. And all the time we blame someone for our problem. But if blame will be for your problem, then you are stuck. You can't go forward.
Yeah. Oh, you're right.
So and only if we can change the way we think, the way we see things, the way we see things. A be good am I? Yes, sir. A be good am I? Because Nema na yefo say any valuable away prono, but and also no more ha omodiska.
Yeah. Okay.
So
okay. Okay.
Nti me hu o program a omo call Dubai na omo teaching, but one thing is I say to me kind of correct trouble because who to say edwuma ni ho, but o call na edwuma ni ho. After the bo abanso bo say on the foul. It is sad and bad.
Yeah. I said black of your so form ana ye mo say was say form ana ye no mo ntana ho. Say was say
eno na aye trend. Nti o sika no kwa na anase obeba no kwa na oba be teach him say aban be for no because I don't care whether it is mama, I don't care whether whoever it is, even Trump, I don't care. What they are doing is wrong.
Okay.
So what is wrong is wrong.
Of course.
Because uko no me ka tell say member obeka say why adwuma nia ma uko no adwuma wo ha. Say adwuma wo ha nka o metete mi say ye from bra.
Okay.
So what must say? Because before obi be ba ukro no wa ye research. But wo dia wo ti ya enemi ko nti bibia wo a obi a wo di adwuma no wo jai no aton ni na na wo dia ba.
Yeah.
Now oba na enye sa na wo ka say obi be fa. O ko no wan kan che no.
Ho kire na aba.
O ko no wan bo no wan kan no.
Bra ko fi ho kire na aba. Ho kire na aba
mi sa but ma obi ehun nyo ya ye nja because ebi ma ye e na ya be fa omo nti wo bo mu so be ye am ya be fa omo
asemo
so na me chere no
yeah mate asepa
am for aye but so situation na first one wo mu na that is not the same situation na wo mu
okay
so that's not the same situation na wo mu
I don't know.
Who enya wo hwe utumi da sore But first situation, na ye buomo eku ebiru. We have no choice. They have no choice than to go pick them up. But you know what is happening to you? How would you take him?
Some almost chromo. Yare so attack.
Which means what now what all? Now call.
That baby modern I say ya restricted movement.
You see, this is the problem we do. This is the problem we do. Anna, because they be an person who be a man be free people, free, and you won't say yet, but I never say me yet. Free, we be everything free.
I want us also be president meboa. I want to call how we say anka be president meboa.
What's it mianka? Some man can't drive by no. Mibano, mamba, bani, eso, man can't hear mama, man can't take Japan, man can't hear Upiao. But as some to me, go mudini.
Yeah.
And I say, Japan Academy, the man in November Dumas, Scano, Makodi, and I said, the Beckham, Ama, connection man, Eddie Baba.
Yeah, some more. Okay, Brakofi,
Benkase more. But I idea to say the air cost, which is not good.
Yeah. Brakofi, yanko yanim. Ayi UK honum, yanko back to UK. UK honum, matese ye mo sikasem den kakra. Nti aya ye Ghana akra, dodo na ata aka say UK for dom ye cheso. So what be that?
Oh yes, any day be.
Date na like sa perception about bon things are.
Because I have said no tax no endorse.
Okay.
Tax no endorse. Unti debiano ho unisika. Debiano you are on credit. Because of no so woni creditor and I say unji credit card da. Oko to ade o credit yen fa ma. And I say oko ji ebia wanche wo pe loan bi da etia we bia yen fa ma because you don't have credit. Only kada.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So one day kada in the you have to have credit. You can. There are certain things you'll be able to get. And a hano isikano and so on.
And so
with my yeduma.
And so more.
Yes, and so yes.
And so we back as a momra Ghana. There be attack as a momra moma.
Because Sisana amount for the but once Uba Ubefiu. Ubefi. If you now bano, what are you bringing? What are you taking home? What are you bringing home?
Yeah.
And a second so umawaha.
Yeah.
So Manhyia, you can't leave them and come home.
Yeah.
So what must say? Esa utmi bwabwa ho umane nyi we na now we nkaka na oba. And I says funny say from 2019 I made man na meji 2,500.
Okay, a month.
Yeah, a month. Okay. 2,500 no. I buy not 500.
Okay.
Naka
2,000. Yeah.
2,000. Metia me danka 650.
Okay. Naka 1,350.
1,350. Metia me council tax 300.
Naka 1,050.
Yes. Metia afe me petrol. Me ma school. Me sika enfanto hoye.
Okay.
Nti me sare mane wiye na kan be 600.
Wow.
Am I living the kind of money I'm getting?
No.
Yes.
Na sister la no. Sa na mo bibi sa aso na da bia mo be japade akese ai mo be sisi dan to talkers intina sa life na mo living there mo bibi a try enti o.
Good. So who obi oyesa na I tell you say enye ono anadwuma ana say dwuma baako na wanya sasika na ana say wakoji loan e wo bank na do be sisa dan.
Okay.
Because the way the cost of living is, you can mean to me yes, way. skara macho no e ma be si abrosamia
okay ebia wona wakatua wo fom o ana me boy ebia wona wakatua wo fom
and I can say you can do this maybe because amount for her omoye we are they also have ebia emphasis or your container called Ghana
okay
o unti eba beton yama ana say obi a wakoji loan ebia emphasis 50,000 I say 70,000 oba abesi ni dan kama so into obviously team obviously that come but bisa won say e dan not one
oda be dan de say ejapade abusuafo Ghana nti e ma
yes on team wa because he has to pay the money scanner wajen so you duma echiaka
okay
so what must say then we see the come Ghana but on team
yeah I know correct
okay because you have to pay the money.
Okay.
So and as I say and say before now omutumeje na we fi ha akọ Ghana na say bia we fi ha na akọ Germany na so akọ US they say they can trace you
okay
omutumi trace cars eba Africa eba sound the baba they can trace you easily
na you say ebitimi ji bosiano e de be Japade no madwane
oh bebre
sa
oh bebre ebi kwa fi tech eba jeje flat TV ni we no to fifi o yeah o bebre ende kura
na se nipa no at UK na wa jibosi akese abesi dan wa Ghana na we akọta na Germany na say different country
and we to akwa we to US and so to yeah
Aw.
Bebre inti say no
e basa na say
me no kata say no me bank any bank wa Ghana elenke sika me sendi ema obi bank wa had enim
okay
they say no it's link
okay
you said before now otumi ko yisika order akomo obi na asend amount and they say no sika o send sa momo ni mobile transfer nyina they know the bank is going omuni bibia so anything they can easily trace you
yeah no correct
they can easily trace you yeah
I see enti eno na mama ye pepe no ana mo nkwa na mo ye pepe say
there be yes I say no they deal in plastic more than cash
okay
omo use card no more than nti mpempi o na oni cash wo no ho na wa ma obi na obroni I say no obroni no on che wade
sa
UK obroni no on che wade o de ne ka 1 pound obeje yes because on any jiri kwa ko restaurant and oba ni tia no so tia
like omako restaurant no
oh yes
na oba na tia ne de na
yeah
omo ya aware for nso
omo ya aware for
na ya fa santete yen
so omo ni ayeduma obi a chere de ba omo ni akọ enti no omo pe say no omo ni age Ghana for say bia Ghana ni ye outdoor and say Ghana ni warrior omo pe because obekọ ho no eduane e free insan e free but so call UK ni awaria ade be ma o ye eduane insan obeto bi insan bi abonu mo bi abeto
okay
bi abonu bia omo no they don't give any omo ma bi free so mo bi free a no won hu bi wo ho ope they have no free gift
okay and Africans there ya ware mu fe pa Ghana for say there
oh yes Nansia ye bi wa ha omo enjoy pa bibia because they omo no nsan everything is free
okay
yeah
okay enti no
we deal omo kita plastic no credit card no exchange cash e wo mo
okay
and dina man for so because only cash ne would bottom unlike in fact say US for no they use card but omo use cash pa chain Kumasi.
Okay.
Into omo they be no more cash omo.
Okay, because yeah the Ghana had there. Ghana ha especially or that perception I say UK for there. Dodo na ya pepe.
Obi abehun bia wi ni wallet mu a card nkwa ne bum.
Na say na say card kwa betima send e imomu ne ya nyina anso mon send.
Oh yeah. Well, they are very when it comes to Manhyia, very very serious.
Nice.
Because Chroma no law a juma pa change bia law just copy amount for change. And the ombaji says here but say wo na wo gia e check kakra nfa on saka.
I see.
Yeah.
I see. And they say very serious power. Very serious.
Yeah, because woman they don't give anything free. They don't have free gifts.
Oh, okay.
They don't have the free gift. They say now it will be no why we be now boss amount that be on yet. About chocolate na bro.
Okay.
Chocolate no better amount free, but I say and I say about flowers bro. Papa say about amount tika wa.
Okay. Now you say UK pa there. Make sure UK. So when you sika from pa there, obwa.
Oh, to me sika for me that.
Oh, okay.
Maybe that ebia no yeah, ebia the oyi sika fini bottom na perform. And papa no enye common. Na menya 1 pound and 5 pound asa.
Oh, okay. My
so benya bia 20 pound na say metro pa ni we papa no wallet ni fin bottom.
Okay. My yanko yanim. Say no, yamfa ne say you wabedru UK a me ho sem honom no ahonidie no ye high. Say that's been sisi near yi. But menim say urina na sa no so do so wasa. Ante say onam ko na pa bia yo ho ya age so kofia na. Ana mo so mo public yi sa e wo bebre because
that omni public. If I say shops no. Onam bibia if I say Tesco and I say McDonald's and I say KFC. But my boy or not so. But only public toilet say work up there with the woman bisa.
Wow.
Local shops one. We no customer store toilet but my remona shops no remona buy you. But pass say more public toilet because there be ni wasa.
Wow. Enti yam fan say you won say odun so kwan wa de no be.
Oh, udu so kwan wa ebia na ujia motorway so. Motorway so service station anyhow.
And the infew.
Na account no park wo hard shoulder no na wa jonso. But service station ben wa you go ubeko ho McDonald's and I say KFC no inside na ko jonso.
Okay. And yemura yemfa say obi anya tourist visa. Now also oba UK oba o mabiem a asemba na waka kire no
ena ono anasema ono anasema
also oba ozi Ghana biem o ne besi
and ono anasema ono decision because that is one thing you can't take it for anyone.
Yeah,
so you can't take it from anyone because madam for or your amini ni na for friend say we nya 6 months visa or ba na wa be tuma am say ubisa ni say visa no visa be working visa na was a tourist no say any untumi ngi no
o wana ni 3 more din
okasa ni because what kind of Ghana because you have a tourist visa. How are you going to work and where are you going to stay and how are you going to pay your rent?
Oh, sir, obetna on chain.
So,
obetna on chain.
Oba no one so ban acha no 1 week no. Na e opeso ko because the bills will be cost. Because I no can see the last week omo increase energy bill. gas bill and water bill cost.
Wow.
The council tax amitia favorable amadono na 644. Say we increase no 1444.
Hey, from 600 to 1000.
I'm telling you.
Hey. 1000 pounds.
Yes.
Wow. Any microphone just
energy bill cost electricity cost gas bill cost. As I say no almost say they want the abandon ye but abandon car or say Russia. The thing is not Russia because during the COVID, companies in Sika to give it to their workers. Somebody are so they want that money back.
Oh, okay.
But they will not tell you say this is what they want. But okay.
Okay.
So
yeah.
And I say the method diesel £50. I am paying 44% to the government. 45%. Here is the most expensive place to live in Europe is UK.
Wow.
Local Germany, you are 10%, France 15%, 45% on diesel.
Wow. Wow. Now I say, Ebane sana mo say you complain o ha kra de no say you serious.
Oh, me the other no say on say Ghana na ye pekasa. Ana make up for ye the bibia politics. Nti enye say or come and on say but because maybe if you know my cousin use car maybe say no say or let's say actually abana na car o use no the car no engine horsepower na 5.7 liter.
Okay. Now say Tundra live.
And I'm say who use 5.7 liter and I will complain about petrol. We talk car we one. So what must say auto car about on say then yeah ma obi mu say oh car me use ni.
Yeah. Engine capacity.
Nti enye say or say ohia car.
Yeah.
What must say because I say so we use car wa then it's necessity, it is not luxury.
Okay.
Because I have no bus no any regular.
Okay.
Because bus no otumi drive you to bus no do drive no park no jot.
Say.
Now to get me train.
Driver no.
Oh yes.
Say the India.
Obaka just say or content do into a park.
Sir,
Otumi park no can papers. Inti say won so on pesa de na opesa ko do dum temu a na wa car.
Krobini. Obi antimi nya.
Na car na nkasa before be drive no utua uje license no utua road tax utua MOT. Road tax no utua na opesa utua na every month opesa utua na year ansa na why bibia ansa car no esi kwan so.
Wow.
So
wow.
Inti car na drive na nkasa no it will take you, it will be expensive for you to drive. But because one person very late, you need that car to get to work.
Wow.
And they do it to need more and say, oh, a crowd to need more keep course. And so you have to drive.
Wow.
To work. The imagine say, the train, and I say, the bus in the car. Because the bus is not on time.
Okay. I see. Hey, and no man yes simple said that you see no free has no.
It is not that simple.
No,
but also I know one more they portray here say a higher good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Portray they will make that money from tourism because they do.
Yeah.
They do it big time.
Yeah.
So, but whenever you are in it is not that what you see on BBC and Sky and what you see on YouTube. It is not true like that.
Anya glass and kwa.
Glass glass They say no. charity for patch or say food bank no ashort to mo pay juania ma homeless. Asora me kono every month bia no ye homeless. Ye ma homeless for juane. Every month ending, every Sunday, last Sunday bia no ye homeless. A man for be na hu a man for be dia obi wo ha anya say onisiko ba sika e channel enso ntu rent dan.
Na mebo no asori ne no aduane na we invite public na mama be di free and say mo de komo mo.
Yeah. I do a breakfast beans ni brodo ni nkosia ni sausage asa no ma betana say anom tea ayi no wi anom ko na obi wo ha onim de bia ye nti fitia no pa munyume no bodi di saa.
Okra time table no okra me. Hey, izo.
Yes, once bodi di saa because sika na e chen odwuma no enso no nti no ontumi fan rent die.
Wow.
Danya na sika na ninya no dinya be tia dan naka na onye bi ntia because na ahase no dan so na mo ye prepaid wo Ghana no e bi wo ha prepaid gas ye prepaid water ye prepaid inji so we nyi bi anto so anto prepaid na any ensure mba light nso gas nye dwuma nti awobedo.
Wow. Enye easy. Enye afanye enye easy. In fact, me ansama enkomo ane medina nyina no ne e kire ma adwen pa ye se Ghana ni bi wo hono ma onam ho nya adwuma wae no ho korin se.
Oh yes.
Ase brown.
Oh yes, bebre.
Ebusuan
na anye se tisana ye ka before oni nkata onko fe na ha se no so onko ye bibi ema ohun ma asema obofo se omunnim ana so omo yeso mun fiu because omun se oni na mo kwa you don't add anything to omun fiu but so on ba chima pesisi ya na on ba kire se omunnim se oni nkata akromu a.
Wow.
On ba kire se ya they will take you the madam for eko Ghana or a teacher ni oba no omo ba for program wan ko otena for 7 years omo kire no ka kire se you had a bad advice and you stayed.
He had a bad advice. And
he said, no teacher. Also took I didn't one teacher we know now went to my bad or I say on ye and not na why you ma.
How?
I didn't coffee.
Wow.
You make a catch with Kumasi 2007 and I didn't call it.
Wow. Openi meda wase oya de pa wa bi no mani so akere yen say na ye wo say education koso na ye mabru na ye wo Ghana ha na ye pesi etutu kwan no ye hu no ma bi a ye the realities on grounds so that be ya ukopie ma wa anya shocked na obi kra ka wa o ya aware that se nipa ni twa ntro abehu right away na just say
no ni asem me no me catch row.
Yeah.
To me catch it's up to you.
Yeah.
So bar fine. One bar fine.
Yeah.
So was minimum I don't say can the furniture ni papono.
Yeah.
No or tia see no bar so bana bi bisa na then onim ni obem
ababaye. Yeah.
So my man can say oh blah because you do all kind so blah oba oview.
Okay.
So now after na say oh edipa boni but onim the reason why o wan fiu no oba kwa na obeta nchen kwa na acha 1 week because say massa baby fa.
Yeah, because me kra ma to be
because bills na ekun any tax na GBPR. You can work, get the money, but the bills and the tax every BBR because it's high expensive, I tell you.
Okay, but young can say abroche de ye by also for kwampa so na de ko.
Thank you.
Yeah, I
know welcome.
Yeah.
But for kwampa so ko because bin mama phone so o ma ba ha ma pa kwampa so ba. O mo kra no mo say easy. Just imagine say who are for kwampa so ba how then obeka.
Asemo.
Yeah.
I asem.
Mo plan say enye easy.
Yeah.
Because me will be a waba be adwuma within 6 months we when we jai because also adwuma e dem dodo. We jai e pe adwuma foforo.
Okay.
So because I have said adwuma no adwuma bi wo benya before benya sa £5 I say £6 an hour no. Now what you with you?
Allah.
What you with you and I say what my de feel one kwa yin choka.
Wow.
One kwa yin choka.
Nice.
So would they feel one kwa over maka say you are sick.
Yeah.
Ono maka see you by yin choka.
Wow. Nice. Osha according to Ankasano, it's not for lazy people.
No. Baby, me adwuma se sia no. Me no bi a wonya stroke a okita poma obedwuma.
Hey! Adai.
Because one ba oba koda oba homeless.
Wow.
No one cares for anybody. Nobody cares about you. Nobody cares about you. And fun won't say, well, you better have one thing. Okay, that's or your stroke. The nine left linear, and you obey Juma. Ojuma Aris, obey Juma. Ebe tenase, a telephone call, a fact calls, a buku, recovery cars, a man for. He comes to work. So just imagine that, who are also weird, fake, but then, Massa, then, Tena, maybe also what Tana.
Wow.
Yeah, because Yabaha, Tlagana say, is he can swing. But the same person, Beba Kroma, I'm obey you, Mama, will to me, I'm managing the Sika, I'm an national. The which means, Ghana, no, because I say, Aquala, Lemamin Papa, and Fano, woman, Papa, and Fano, Utiana, own few, obey your pay. Because Obini debate by I debate, say, Ghana, no, is seeking the back. And I'm saying the same person, I don't know about her. Scanner each other and soon, but Otumfuo or Moko Kusio, Eto Garcio, Eto fish box, Eto meat box, Emma Otumfuo, which means Ghana no on manage because when you say about Mako yet appear we, and what could be a science as a good to come into Bedi. But Hano, won't be yes, sir. Into so unya be £400 a month, and I say Unsan obey Unyama, how about me CVB.
Yeah.
A dying box of moi, now wash a musa, kills my nosh musa.
Very serious.
That's it. To one shemusa idea and obey that one thing.
Wow. Assembly is serious. I see.
Yeah.
And I think say at least obi a oti bia no be hu say otu kwan a enye say okoduru ha kan go na wo kosesa say the yeah perception me go a say me tu kwan ma wie obi kura to me kan me dem nya tu kwan ya ma wie I think say o say ye ti ase say o ko no o ko ye adwuma mo jani e do ready ye adwuma
me ntwa no 2007 na me da bas mu na masora ko adwuma
Ade.
Asore van na meda. Adechi na masora ko adwuma.
Sedenti.
Because na sika me adwuma no enso me. Nti asore van na obeni megu. Nti me da asore van for some time and some me sika akorente edan. We bobo sika na me di korente edan. Na some me edem ya.
Abraho akwanto munsem wo otie bia na ore kra ho ampo
they have no idea
enya renewal of mindset bi yen Ghana for na about yebusuafo mu akwanto mu because yen ye wadwen bi say mo no mu osika o mu osika ana mo mpese mbeboa yen enti no ya mpipi no mo ka mi bia na ayentie but someone na making ma won say enye better sa enye kra ensem pi ntina believe say going forward no na de be esua de na ye hu hawa enoma esi eko yeah because ana ebi mo so be ya o na ehia so aba be wrem especially namfofo ebia o schoolmate bi wo ho ana so wadamfo bi ane no ye neighborhood friend bi me de challenge na ehia so wrem onya wrem de no ano ye be pe bia mo ye no pa bia
Oh yeah. Because me one guy be share or barber shop. Only lady be na call uni. Maybe lady no Ghana or 837 or yeah midwife. She has a post. Or say lady say to me save 4,000 Ghana cedi every month. But person jai no ba. I'm say I didn't person yes sir. I didn't person yes sir. So this is how, because what I see is because in now phone in our hand, almost a soba.
Yeah.
You so many hours.
Yeah.
It boils on the certain amount of the whom or in our butchery. I don't know here, but I need to come to no bar. But or pesa, I say respect to be a demand butcher for no, I don't be no pay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Master Ghana, now you are any that kind of money. Why do you want to leave and come here? You cannot save that kind of money.
Yeah. No correct. Anna, Brako, if you say more abroad for an answer, me American bugger had ever cast away a bugger. More buggers, no. Obu on ma naturally and Cassani 3 more than Nabusian for a few. So you was Obu on ma. Say, I say, Waba. Onim ne maame ne nabusua ne nuanom asetenam okoduru honom no omfite so ofre no kra omfiu ebi wo sa tankofo ni na wo se etomufo
oh yeah ebi wo sa anya se na na team odin but o se obahana ube sua a lifestyle nia ene ma wo yesa because I say no omo no they don't care about your mother and I say omo they enamfa no because akwa mame na wawo akwa no o pentema akwala no e 16 na 18 ma wo fifie man waton
okay
so interchange fifie a ono se mfa no you also feel be crap no and no be so and no ko baby
hello Brakofi
hello
ahono mantini ye na o se den o se obu ono ma o twa mane ba na nyina aduru sen na wo ka me bi sa ho life no
o twa mane ba 16 and I say 18 ma ama ofifie ama omo to me come here say I can't wait for my daughter or my son to be 16 for him to leave home for me to be free.
Oh okay
so in this account fifia what do you think oh no so on man mom how are you fine okay and you say we be sika asani bia kofia ko mama no emfa no oye juma oye ama ono ano
okay
so that is the culture our UK oko Italy are different
okay
oko Germany are different
okay
so I have to say no woman here family people Italians here family people Can I Italians who woman and no more tinya table ahano entesa
okay
in your culture no so my culture no ever had a bit mu and I say be seen na that is what MRS and seven so ye Ghana for no so do ho free nyama no edoso because utu to car mo bi onfanye adwuma car ne se ya no afre waka se car na se
asamo
so utu mi si dan e ma onua enter there no mo ono use bibia light bulb no afre say light bulb so to light bulb
yeah
nti so obi sa no what they no but what no to den no no use light bulb no use water no use bibia bosu mi wu a wo se me na mentia ama
yeah Matthias pa Matthias
so bien inti and I can say nipa and money passes
yeah
nipa da sene so na eboa nipa no ama no kosoro
yeah
Obia Yubia, but sometimes no. Yeah, not a too much, not because the beer too much beer. It seems you here, but no to be beyond so a bit me proud.
Yeah, I know, right.
So, indeed, yeah, green and I say it means and say, oh, me brother, and I say, my sister, and I say, my papa, one will sit there. I don't miss me, man, I must mean to a light bill, and I say, mean to water bills.
Yeah.
So, yet, you never didn't team, maybe I didn't study team. Maybe I don't team be. When I'm team, I'm used to many. And I say, my talk about say, J, on so far, Juma. Landidi, can't say, no, our friend say, can't say. Then, you know, what is carrying your away.
Yeah.
On say, if I quite say, what's your good album?
Sanity.
So, and no, Emma, not as I not also to her, no, we didn't agree with so. I better on few because. A juma about ye, maybe I was sending £50 and I was £700 and Yasim Katua.
Yeah, and a crap.
So, and a month also a family like Nigeria, London, Nukunefi, a jumaba, or a donation man, in the Sunday, Abanu.
Oh,
or Timu, didn't go, decided didn't say I will.
Oh, ASM. Open black coffee. Medawase pa. Medawase. Entino or final words. Now per se be out to Jano. Wait me.
Me final words say you be value your crew. So you be value your crew. Na you be juma egum because if you can say enjuma ni ho. A foreigners eba be hu juma eye ema omo employ crew ma mo me juma. Nta de no ba be hu juma. Na wo de wo hu juma no. What must say? And we always want someone to do for us, but we don't want us to do for someone to enjoy.
Yeah.
Because Ghana no, we employ people with Juma now. Of course, or no Juma, or say I say, oh wow, my Juma, but when you say or Juma on each Chanaka.
I know, right.
The way we think and the way we perceive things, and I don't know MY. If we can change our thinking and begin to look at job, because Kumahano. Anyi bibia no yo nya anyi bibia na abaye mo kroma no enema kroma no kono to etumpon oba ha nyuma kesa nya no anya abai nyuma kesa wa nya no anya abai they are individuals. So what are we also doing to help our nation to grow? And we also have to stop the blame game. Oh, we know and we know if you stop that, it will help because if you are saying no, who fought now you are able to move forward. But when you fought, near waka.
Yeah.
They say to me, as a sa ya journey, near bringing me numa able to my year away come. And it be beer so na ube yesika, edia ye. Maybe beer, a do a bucket, any brush, any wipe and both my window cleaning. Maybe beer the yen scatters here, edia. Inti mama can say a youth no na say omo manyinu omo mbiyo mani na enyuma na bi wo ho. Me America chowe this year me say me babe cleaning ejuma o Ghana because cleaning ye here pa. So what must say?
Yeah.
Inti me na me catch say na me catch greeting say omo njai sa ha Instagram ni nyama na amafo ni nyina no enye kunekule.
Sa dia ba.
Or everything they online is Instagram ni Facebook ni nyina no it's a lie.
Now what say social media now omo ye yomo ho.
Social media no nyina is a lie. They should focus on themselves what they can better themselves. What they can do to better themselves. That is what they should focus on. Because if we are saying no, our Instagram, social media, no, be to our own view. What are you doing for yourself? Do not focus on Abang. Do not focus on a party. Do something for yourself. Then na wo ye ama wo ho eda aboa wo ho a obi nso benya wo ho faso because wo di nso si jaso a se nso ne nhuru a enka ne tizinda. So what must say? We have to try and do something for ourselves, to develop ourselves. And you need to soon at a school. Now you say you understand then you move forward. And then now you know here, move forward. Because Papa ye then auto and you want money story not auto but check not on it is just rice now, but how are we going to repackage the things we see we don't value? No, how are we going to repackage it? So what must you? It's for us to open our eyes and our mind to see what we want to do. What do you think? Then when we say, "Ma, before so good my year," we are against that year.
Okay. Mate. Opanyi, medase. Nyamishra bebre. Bibia ni amesan atwacho. Why?
Yes.
Mate.
Nyamishra.
Abusuafo yabeda mo nyina amase se mojemre na mutie na mo hwe video no. Na de meka ne se onso wo experience bi a obetimi afa WhatsApp number no. Se de atiesim gidigidi. Na yema education no enkosoro. Yen share enoma ekoso because say no ensem na bebre obi ehunu de ekoso. Utie nsem ya bra Kofi ya ebia ne na nya adwene obaabi wo betimi contact e WhatsApp number ne so na me no wadi sa nkomo no so ona na mpese na nim beba e betimi aya ma wani maba emu bia apebia no ye be ya ma na ye kama ana wo different country bia apart from UK so betimi contact ye na ye ni enkomo emfa ho ebia bibi koso wo pese wo de tudwa ana se bibi wo pese wo educate wo education wo ma education wo honoma ana wo kan bibi de show bi nkran de hye yi afoforo nso nkran ana se wo boye kokko bibi ho a ana ma wo bie ye ni obibi ho ma me yi hu de ekoso a wo betimi de aba betudwa ana se perception bi na pese o create ana se narratives bi na pese o sesa na nyina betimi afa WhatsApp number na ego screen ase no na ye di nkomo e WhatsApp kwan so enti madam nyina mase se mojemre na mo hwe video makramo bye bye.
Yes, Simon Mwako Abasronko di pa COVTVGHANA so. Wo COVTVGHANA so no. Ye bota ye ni yenju mediate tiripa ne se. Ye bebo ama mpuntu nyuma kwaso ye wano wo Ghana ha se. Ne se enti no. Ye free wo pepa mutu ye hugu montene suko kutwa mpuntu nyuma hodoa. Ye kwaso wo Ghana ha bebia. Se ye akwan foforo na aban no ye. Hospitals, airport, interchange, school, market, stadium ne nia ikeka ho nyina. Ye ni yenti mwanwaso wo kohoko kutwa se ne dwumade ni sifa ko. Na afei so akwan ne miai odo a atete apansam so no ye kotwa se ne ebe ya ebetwe aban no agenesi so na wakwakoye wonom e wo ho ne nso mwa dwumadie foforo a ye san di no wo COVTVGHANA so ne se ye interview Ghana fo e wa abrochi ananse wo man yi mu a watumi adi ye atu mpon wa abrabo na watumi akyerkyere ye nkwampa hodo a yenso ye betumi afaso anya sika ne de ahya business ase enti mema wo rainfi se wo be subscribe to ye YouTube channel ye COVTVGHANA na wemia notification bell ne so se ne ebe ya wo see yen videos aye dropping ni mu ba kokra.